Sharifa just nailed it. Today I am going to be playing with some vinyl snowflakes. On my hand I have, well, first let me back up. I got these at the Dollar Tree. They're by LA Colors. One is Mega Grow. The other is Super Strength. And my nails are weak, or, well, they're not as thin as they used to be, so I guess they're stronger than what they used to be, because I think it's solely because I use a glass nail file by Bonafide Beauty. That's another video, which I do have up, I believe, so check my videos out for that. But I've been playing with these lately, so I have the Super Strength Nail Builder on my nails, just to check these out, see if they make a difference on my nails at all with, you know, the strength of my nails or whatever. Because in the winter they get pretty brittle. On top of that, I have my base coat by First in Line by Sinful. On top of that, this beautiful sapphire blue is made by Kiss. I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. It is called Night Pearl. I love this brand. I am a woman on a budget, and I like to check out, you know, this brand specifically from the Dollar Tree. I do buy some LA Colors from Dollar Tree periodically. Also from General Dollar, Dollar General, whatever it's called. General Dollar. Whatever. The Broadway line. There's quite a few of those I really like. But I've got 2 coats of this on my nails, and we're going to be putting some vinyls on from, let me see if I can move this camera up for a minute, Twinkled T. Their vinyls are super, super cute. I wish I would have looked up first to see how much they were. I've had these for over a year. These are Christmas designs. I have the squiggly trees, and these are different random shapes. On here there are snowflakes. There is a sleigh, a star. The sleigh I'm saving for next year. Candy cane, bell, snowman. There's a star, a dove, an angel, Christmas holly. Oh my god, what is that called? Rocking horse. The gingerbread man. But these are really super cute. They were cheap. They weren't expensive at all, because if they were, I wouldn't have bought them. But we're going to try these out. On my index finger, I did do the squiggly Christmas tree in green. Whoops, sorry. I doubt that you can see that. But then I put snow around it. But we're going to be doing snowflakes today. I had a few of you on Instagram guess what was going on my base color. I had all kinds of guesses. And I think it was, oh, what is her name on here? On Instagram it's Princess, oh my god, Nails by Diana, I think. Her name is Diana. She's really super cool. I really like her. She was the one on there that I guessed on Facebook. I put the same post up. It was my Aunt Audrey in Florida that guessed I was putting snowflakes, so that's what we're doing, is different snowflakes today. So we're going to put these vinyls on. You just peel them off. They have a oh lordy. I didn't want to peel the backing. Let's see if I can get this to separate. Oh, there we go. Oh, if you wanted, I don't know how well this would do, since this is stuck to my finger. I don't know if you can stick this solely on your finger for decoration too. That's an idea. You have a pink snowflake. Oh, it's stuck. So just take these. It's got the little tab, as you see, for you to hold it by. Place it on your nail where you would like it. You don't have to rub it down, just push over the spot. I'm going to put these all on my fingers first, see which snowflakes I want to do. I should do my thumb too. Let's see. They are super cute. They've even got that like one that reminds me of the North Star, that if I did a manger nanny for the birth of Jesus, that would be perfect. It would so be perfect. So place them on your nail. I got my, oh lordy, where is it? My white also by Kiss. It's called French White. Oh, yep, French White. This is what I'm going to be doing. Let's set this off to the side. Brush this on real quick to show you. Brush it on your nail. Fill in the decal or the vinyl. Grab the tab. Ouch. And peel it back off. And here you got a snowflake. So I'm going to put these on the rest of my nails. Different random snowflakes. There's like, I don't know, 6 different designs to pick from the snowflakes, and there's only one each. That's the part that kind of sucks. Is that there is only one each of each design, you know? So I wish there was more. Can't always have what we want, but you know, this is cool. It's got random designs on here. I don't remember how many you get total, but I love it. So check out twinkledT.com. That's up too high. You want to center these and, you know, place them in the center of your nail. Push them down a little bit. Get your polish. Start with my pinky nail. Oh, I bet you I put that up too high. I don't think this one will turn out right. Sad to say. Oh, it did. Messed up a little bit at the top. Placed it too close to my cuticle. Still cute though. So I'm going to carry on with my next snowflake. If I'm not in frame, I am really sorry. I wasn't really paying attention, and I just realized I also never turned the TV down. So I hope you can't hear it. I hope it's not drowning me out. Oh, I love that one. On my tree. So we got one more snowflake left to do. This is really super cute and easy. This is definitely what you call your basic nail art. My other hand is still naked. Giving it a break. They never match. Ever. But for Christmas, I think this year they're going to. I haven't decided what I'm going to actually wear for Christmas yet. You're definitely going to want to give these a few minutes to dry. Hopefully you have some like no smudge top coat. No smudge top coat by Born Pretty, which I do. This is what I will be putting on. Look at that light's kind of blinding. The last nail I did, I know that's wet. Really wet. So, ouch. I'm going to kind of chatter here a little bit. Go along the other nail that I did. I did my index finger last night, playing around with my Christmas tree. Getting towards like midway on my no smudge top coat. When you use these, just float it. Don't press down hard on it. Once down the center, once down each side. Definitely cap your nails. I shouldn't this because I'm not going to be wearing this for long, unfortunately. I have another video to do. Just float it across the design. Do not press down on it because these are slightly still wet. And you don't want to smear it. I can't remember if I did my thumb already. Yes, I did. Really worried about that last nail. I think it might be too wet. I don't know. Some of these I didn't center too well. Because if I'd have held my hand back towards me and looked after that, I'd have seen these two here are not top coated yet. Definitely need a new bottle. Float your bead across. Cap. Cap. I'm going to cap this one even though I haven't done it yet. Cap the edges of your nails. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hope you enjoy my little snowflake mani here today on my sapphire blue nails. I think it's super cute. Remember to check out Twinkled T and their vynals. They got a lot of, they got like a whole line of stuff on there that you want to check out. I'm going to pause this so this can dry down for just a little bit, and I will be right back. Okay, we're back. Cherie here again for Just Nailed It or Still. The nail should be somewhat dry. I could have just put immediately my Pro FX quick dry top coat, but I'll be honest with you, I was thirsty. I needed something to drink. So I paused. I'm going to put my final top coat on, which is my Pro FX. Once down the middle, once down each side, back down the middle, and cap the end of your nails. Make sure you wipe off when you're doing this. Wipe off back side and one side of your brush. Maybe take it side to side, wipe off the back again. Because you only need the bead. You don't need your brush sloppy Susie. So you don't need like a tremendous amount. You need that bead that's going to cover your nail, not something that's going to do two nails at one time. Remember, once down the center, once down each side, down the center again, cap your nail. And here is my last and final snowflake. It's a lot of snowflakes this year. My stubby nubbin. My nails get so brittle in the winter. I've won a hydration kit from Bliss Kiss and I cannot wait to get it. I'm really excited about it. I'm type 2 diabetic. I've got dry skin to begin with, and with the diabetic, now I was diagnosed in June of 2018 here. And it's like, I feel such betrayal. It's like any moisture that there was in my skin has been sapped out. I try to flood myself with water, lotion, moisturize, hand cream, all that good stuff, and I still got winter skin. I'm trying all different kinds of lotions. My favorite, where is it? Is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotion. That's definitely my favorite. I even rub coconut oil on my hands, you know, my cuticle. Well, I keep it in a tub. Rub my hand in it. Go around your nails. You should do this. I do this, oh God, probably twice a day. You know, with the my skin starting to get on my right hand the frayed parts around my skin, so, and I don't know properly how to get the nippers, and so I think I might go somehow after Christmas go get me a little simple no polish manicure from a salon just to get that all taken care of, get the dead skin off, the cuticles pushed back, scraped, all that good stuff. No polish, I do that myself. But you gotta have your cuticle oil, you have to moisturize. Try to do it my best. So leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. These are super cute. Let me know if you've ever tried the vynals out from Twinkled T before. Go visit Twinkled T, check them out on Instagram. I'm not sure if they have a YouTube channel, they probably do. The T, you know, it's Twinkled. T is capitalized. The second T is also capitalized for the T, just not T-E-E, just the letter T. Check them out. Leave me a comment below. Check me out on Instagram. I am Neilda67. That's where you can see all pictures of my videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. I know I'm chattering a lot today. Really sorry. Subscribe. My channel is always and will be free. Have yourself a blessed day. Thank you.